Canon number 5 is one of 2 songs we will be playing for our concert where our focus is picking individual notes. In other words, playing a melody rather than strumming through all of the strings on the ukulele to make a chord. Because that is so, we're going to use a different type of notation called tablature, which basically is a picture of what you're supposed to do. Let's have a look at some. As you can see, there are 4 lines here that correspond to the 4 strings on the ukulele. The note stems indicate what the rhythm is, and the number where the note head should be indicates what fret box you need to play with your left hand when you pick the strings with your right. When the number is 0, it means that you play that string open. Let's try to play this tablature notation very, very slowly. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to narrate what I'm doing a little bit to start, but then I would like you to actually look at the notation down below and look at the picture of my hand as I go ahead and pick these individual notes. The good news about canon number 5 is it is an A-A-B-A melody, which means that once you know the A section, you know 75% of the melody, and it's pretty straightforward. The first note, as you can see, is in the first string, and it is the 3rd box. So let's go ahead and set that up, and here we go. Let's try that again, even more slowly, okay? Once again, just the A section. When you are feeling reasonably comfortable with that A section, it's time to move on to the B section. And the B section is more challenging, partly because you have to play further up the fretboard. However, as you will see, the dots on the ukulele will be very, very helpful in terms of determining where, as a point of reference. Before we get to that, though, the first 2 measures of the B section are pretty easy. They're all the same note. It's the 3rd box of the 2nd string. Let me go ahead and put the tablature up there so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm going to play it, and I want you to follow along. Okay. And then the last 2 measures, we move that 3rd finger over to the 3rd box of the 1st string, and we go 3rd box, 5th box, 10th box. All right, let me put the whole thing for you together right now. I'm going to play a slightly faster, more the speed that we'll be playing for the show. And I'll put the tabs up again and try and play along as best you can. And if you are not successful the first time, look at the video again. Remember, you shouldn't be putting in more than 5 minutes a day between now and the concert. If you do that, you'll be playing it beautifully, I promise. So here it is, A-A-B-A, canon number 5. There you have it.